doing today, Jamie?
Pink pig farm.
What do you think you're going to see there?
Pigs.
Yeah, there'll be pigs.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Chickens.
Yeah.
And lambs.
Lambs? Is it spring yet? No. Let's go. Seen any pigs yet?
No.
These two fluffy things. They're huddling together. They look absolutely frozen.
They do look cold.
Hello.
Hello.
I think they are taking absolutely no notice of you.
They keep telling me stay on the low. I'll be better off burning slow. I should learn how to get back in line, but I'm gonna take what's mine.
I'll get the
They're coming. Okay, mate.
My favourite thing was there was a big brown thing that goes like this, and it's quite big, and you go in the red thing and there's some bars in, and you hold on to them, and then you push yourself down.
Was it like a toboggan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that really good fun, was it?
Sort of.
Jamie? Pink
Yes?
Pig Farm. Did you see the animals you wanted to see?
Yes.
Yeah, but you didn't get to stroke or feed any of them, did you?
No, because one, we're not allowed to feed, and two, none of the animals listened to me and didn't come over to me.
No, you were calling for them, weren't you?
It's kind of like this. Meh, meh. And eat our girls' donkeys.
Yeah.
And but Mummy just said, hey, 1, 2, 3 things, come out and say hello.
I think so.
The end.
Right. We have set a challenge for this year because we had a busy year last year, didn't we, Jamie? Where we were moving house and we had to do lots of packing of boxes, didn't we?
Oh dear, don't talk about boxes.
Exactly. And then we renovated a house. So basically summer was spent packing boxes, Christmas, and also was it November? Yeah, November half term was all spent
Don't ask me, I don't know.
packing. Anyway, I've promised him that we're going to have at least, well, a day out a week all year. So we're looking at potentially 50 days out. But I'm going to set a challenge. And the challenge is that we're going to have 80 days out in 2019. And I'm going to film each one. And we're going to talk about what we saw there and what we thought of it. So what did we think of Pink Pig Farm?
Fine.
I think we thought it was a bit small, didn't we? It was a shame that you couldn't feed any of the animals.
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah. You enjoyed the toboggan.
Yeah.
We also enjoyed the duck racing, but there was only one of them working, wasn't there?
Yeah.
So, but the soft play was good, and it was quiet, and it was cheap. We went.
Every time I went on the red thing, it hurt my hands, but
Hurt his hand.
saw it.
So we paid just £15 for myself, Jamie, and my mum. So that's not too bad. Right. See you next day out. Bye.